I'd like to begin in with the words of Niels Bohr, a very famous quote behind me on the screen. Everything we call real is made of things that cannot be regarded as real. Now, let's tie that statement in, one of the most profound discoveries of the modern age of science and physics, into exactly what we read in Hebrews 11, beginning in verse 1. Now, faith is the substance of things hoped for, and the evidence of things not seen. For by faith we understand that the worlds were formed by the Word of God. It was with words that these worlds were formed. So that the things which are seen are made of the things which are unseen.